Hello students, this is Teacher C and welcome to another English lesson. Today, we're going to learn about cooking verbs. Let's begin. Let's practice some cooking vocabularies. Mix. To mix ingredients together with a spoon, fork, or electric mixer until we're combined. Stir. To mix together with a spoon in a pan. Heat. Mix together using a fast, circular movement with fork, spoon, whisk, or mixer. Blend. Mix ingredients together gently with a spoon, fork, or blender until combined. Knead. Press, fold, and stretch dough until it is smooth and uniform, usually done by pressing with the heels of the hands. Sieve. Separate and keep the larger or thicker parts of pieces of flour and others with a sieve. Cook food in an oven. Boil. Heat the food so that the liquid gets hot enough for bubbles to rise and break the surface. Broil. Cook by direct heat or to grill. Brown. Cook over medium or high heat until surface of food browns or darkens. Cut. Divide, detach, or remove with a sharp-edged instrument, for example, with a knife. Chop. Cut into small pieces. Slice. Cut into small cubes. Mince. Cut into very small pieces, smaller than chopped or diced pieces. Drain. Remove all the liquid using a colander, strainer, or by pressing a plate against the food while tilting the container. Grate or shred. To scrape food against the holes of a grater, making thin pieces. Grease. To lightly coat with oil, butter, margarine, or non-stick spray so food doesn't stick when cooking or baking. Fry. Cook in a pan full of oil. Marinate. Soak food in liquid, tenderize, or add flavor to it. The liquid is called a marinade. Mush. Squash food with a fork, spoon, or musher. Peel. Take the skin out of a vegetable or fruit. Spread. Put butter or jam on a bread slice. Sprinkle. Throw cheese on top of the pasta, pizza, and others. Slice. How the baker cuts your cheese and ham. Squeeze. Get the juice out of a lemon, lime, or orange. Pour out. Flow is from one container to another or into or on something. Bake. Smash, split, or divide into parts. Melt. Become liquid with heat. Practice this vocabulary by demonstrating how to make your favorite dish. Thank you for watching.